Hi there everyone and welcome back to the Weather Centre. From our satellite imagery we see that it's been quite a cloudy day over the country, and much of this cloud cover has been in the form of cirrus that's been passing over the Cape provinces, and we've had an especially thick layer that's moved from the northwest into Gauteng as well as in Mpumalanga. Thunderstorms developed early in the afternoon for some parts of the Eastern Cape, and a couple of these thundershowers have become quite intense, as we can clearly see on the enhanced satellite imagery. For tonight, thundershowers still in place for that area, extending through the central parts, through the Free State and into the northwest. So we're still expecting thundershowers for those areas, while in the west an approaching upper air trough is still going to allow for a few showers to drift down from Namibia into parts of the Northern Cape, just touching our border. For the south coast, mostly cloudy, and we're going to have a bit of light rain in places, especially along the Eastern Cape coastline overnight. Heading into tomorrow, and those conditions are going to move up the coast towards KwaZulu-Natal. Thicker cloud in the province, cooling things down. There is a likelihood for rain, especially near the coastline. While in the west, that trough that's approaching is going to be on our doorstep. That's going to push the moisture down from Namibia into the Northern and Western Cape. Along with that, showers and thunderstorms likely to drift across those areas, mostly in the late afternoon and into the evening. Quite a bit of cloud cover over the rest of South Africa for tomorrow, and along with that there is a possibility for a couple of isolated thunder showers. For tonight, just a few light showers drifting across the Orange River down into parts of the Northern Cape. Light rain along our south coast. That includes Port Elizabeth. That will start moving up the coastline towards East London and Port St John's this evening as well, while scattered thunder showers are still possible for tonight into the Free State and the northwest, but only isolated for Gauteng, into Limpopo as well as in Mpumalanga. Moving ahead to your minimum temperatures, and the cloud cover traps in some of the daytime heat overnight. That'll keep most places quite warm, mid to upper teens and even the low 20s for some places, including Uppington. Tomorrow afternoon is going to see temperatures rising into the high 20s and low 30s once again, especially hot for the Northern Cape, mid 30s for that area. But as we can see for KZN, much cooler conditions over the province. Durban at 24 and a high of 21 expected for a mostly cloudy Pietermaritzburg. Moving ahead to Wednesday, when we're going to have mostly cloudy and wet weather continuing over the eastern parts of the country. Drier air in circulation for Uppington as well as for Springbok. A few showers still lingering over the Western Cape. And on Thursday, it's going to be mostly cloudy, cool and wet for George at 21 degrees. And thunderstorms continue in a warm Gauteng. Johannesburg, you've got a high of 26 on Thursday.